There's a good kitty I know that used to be a scaredy cat. Whenever she saw her shadow, she'd go, meow. What was that? When Halloween came, she used to run and scatter and hide. She never knew why so many monsters would knock and come inside. If good kitty saw a drac, she'd be ready to attack. If good kitty saw a witch, she would go and dive and ditch. If Frankenstein came a knocking, good kitty played dead. That was shocking. Are you okay? Still, good kitty stayed hid under the living room couch. She really didn't know what Halloween was all about. The fun of trick-or-treating and dressing up like a gypsy or a mummy, or getting lots of candy like a bear that's really gummy. But then there was commotion at the Halloween decorated door. A little vampire spilled a trick-or-treat bag all over the floor. But instead of scary stuff, there was candy and lots of sweets. Good kitty started to come out on her padded little cat feet. Good girl. Good kitty seemed to change that night as that candy lay helpless on the ground. Good kitty jumped up and ran and grabbed all the candy that she had found. Good kitty, no, please don't eat that candy. It's not meant for you. You're such a good kitty. I didn't know you liked candy or suckers or gum. How do you chew? Meow, good kitty yelled with her golden freaked out eyes. She jumped right up on the trick-or-treaters. You ever seen little monsters cry? Good kitty took Dracula's Snickers. Now she's going after Frankenstein's bubble gum. The ghost took off his sheet and ran. What has good kitty become? A girl witch dropped her candy, and then she lost her pointy hat. Terrified, she kept running from a 5-pound candy cat. Oh. A pirate threw his parrot, and then he tried to pull his plastic sword. He tripped and fell backwards. He didn't see the pumpkin. That's really a gourd. Oh. Good kitty seemed to like Halloween and the trick-or-treaters at the door. She seemed to really chill out. Just don't drop your candy on the floor. Yeah, that's true. There is more to this tale, but don't you all worry, because if you love someone, you're going to read them a story. Bad Kitty-Scaredy Cat by Buel. Happy Halloween!
Bad Kitty-Scaredy Cat by Buel. She wasn't always a scaredy cat. She used to be a roof! An angry kitty, a brave kitty, a clumsy kitty, a daring kitty, an energetic kitty, a fearless kitty, a gallant kitty, a heroic kitty, an inept kitty, a jumbling kitty, a kittenish kitty, a loopy kitty, a muddled kitty, a numb kitty, an outraged kitty, a powerful kitty, a quick kitty, a resolute kitty, a strong kitty, a tough kitty, an upended kitty, a vexed kitty, a wet kitty, an exasperated kitty, a youthful kitty, and a zestful kitty. But then, one dark and foggy night, something terrible happened. Trick or treat! Out of the darkness and into her doorway appeared the most horrible and frightening creatures Kitty has ever seen. She saw an awful alien, a bizarre Bigfoot, a creepy clown, a dreadful dragon, an evil ectoplasm, a frightful Frankenstein, a ghastly goblin, a hideous hag, an intimidating invisible man, a jarring jack-o'-lantern, a killer kraken, a loathsome lion, a monstrous mummy, a noisy Neanderthal, an odious ogre, a putrid pirate, a quirky Quasimodo, a rusty robot, a scary skeleton, a toxic tarantula. Uncle Murray! Hi, I ran out of candy. Could I borrow some? A vile vampire, a wicked werewolf, an extremely exotic X-ray creature, a yucky yeti, and a zany zombie. That's how she became a scaredy cat. That's how she became just a very, very scared little kitty. Poor kitty. Poor kitty. But then, oops, I dropped my candy. That's when she saw it. She saw apples, bubblegum, candy corn, dried fruit, English toffee, fudge, gumdrops, hard candy, Italian truffles, jelly beans, kiwi fruit, lollipops, and marshmallows. Necklaces, oranges, pretzels, quince candy, raisins, strawberry licorice, taffy, unsalted nuts, vanilla cookies, white chocolate, wax lips, yellow bananas, and zoo animal crackers. Kitty decided there and then that she would not be a scared little kitty anymore. She decided that she would be a bad kitty. But not just any bad kitty. She would be a very, very bad kitty. She attacked the alien, battered Bigfoot, clobbered the clown, demolished the dragon, eradicated the ectoplasm, flattened Frankenstein, gnawed on the goblin, harassed the hag, injured the invisible man, jostled the jack-o'-lantern, kicked the kraken, lambasted the lion, mauled the mummy, nullified the Neanderthal, overturned the ogre, pinched the pirate, squashed the Quasimodo, ruined the robot, smashed the skeleton, tackled the tarantula, upset Uncle Murray, vanquished the vampire, whacked the werewolf, extinguished the X-ray creature, yanked the yeti, and zinged the zombie. Hooray for Kitty! All by herself, Kitty managed to chase those horrible creatures back out into the night. Kitty decided there and then that she would never be a scaredy cat again. Woof! Never.